you know, building an online business by yourself and doing the best you can. I live and breathe, especially the past year, building my businesses, whether it be my websites, gaining more skills to produce better quality websites, learning more about internet marketing, learning more about SEO, SERP, learning, gaining a financial education, dabbling in the stock market, teaching myself, investing in crypto. And the list goes on of all the other things I'm doing that eventually, it's just going to explode. I'm going to have streams of income everywhere. I've done the hard time. When you do the hard time, you deserve to reap the rewards. Now I'm taking it up a level. I just wanted to spare a couple of hours and figure out how I can produce better quality videos. And I'm learning about stock videos and what I can do. And this is something I've heard about, but I never took the time to check it out. It's called socialblade.com. And it gives you an indication of how much a YouTube channel earns. I've been working on, I have spread myself thin for so long that when it happens, it's going to be like, psh, that's how I feel. Social Blade gives you an indication of how much a YouTube channel earns. Now, right now, I have one channel that's monetized, and it's a miscellaneous channel. It's like a junk drawer. This is where I'm testing ideas out. I share videos from cutting hair to facial procedures to gig work to earning money as a food delivery driver and earning money as a freelancer, whatever it is. It's my junk drawer YouTube channel. But it does generate a little money every month. Now, for a while, every other month I was reaching the minimum with just YouTube, not AdSense, just YouTube. And now we went back to every third month. But I'm going to show you, I looked up my own name. And Home Base Income 101. I visited socialblade.com. I entered my name right up here. And this is what popped up. It's telling my audience that my estimated monthly earnings is $2 to $27 a month. I could tell you for a fact that's not true. I earn more than that each month, and I have a C plus rating. And with my experience and with me getting better, I feel I deserve a B at this point. I've been hitting between $40 to $50 a month with this miscellaneous YouTube channel. I know I can up the level of my expertise. I'm working on it, but that's not true. $2 to $27 a month. Now I'm going to give a channel that I watch. I like to stay on top of it. And I was curious. They have a new name. They're very new with their new name, the new branding, but it's called Car Edge. I just want to give you an example. And I looked it up because I feel I'm a part of their community and I will be using their services in the future. And I have used their services already, but I'm going to use them more often. But they're claiming that their estimated monthly earnings is $721 to $11,000, 11 and a half. That's a huge gap. That's a huge gap. I feel the Social Blade shows less than what channels earn. And I wanted to share that because I feel they earn between $10,000 to $15,000 a month from their new branding. They had to reinvent themselves, and that's a challenge of a transition to do. But they got a B plus rating, and I feel, with the work they produce, they should have an A. Are you serious? I should have a B. That's how I feel. I thought this would be something to teach you, to show you, because I did spare a couple of hours and I enjoy it, just researching and seeing what else I can use, a lot of freebie stuff to up the level of my expertise, to produce better quality videos, to continue to perfect my skills. And this is part of growing and branching out and branding out. And let's get to that right now. Over the years, this is my Home-Based Income 101 channel. This is the one that's monetized. Then I have My Income Job. Now, I really haven't done much with it. I've uploaded a lot of stuff about crypto on this channel. But this is the beginning stages of rebranding myself in the future. I have created the foundation to slowly, gradually transition into a better branding to match one of my websites. But everything takes time. And, life is busy and I still have to work to earn money. So I have 183 subscribers. And it's just building itself on its own. This came out good. Next, Internet Education 101 YouTube channel. I have 901 subscribers. I was stuck around 850 for a long time. And then I started to upload videos to this channel regularly, more often. I skipped for a long time. But it's just to show you, if you do a true blue with old-fashioned hard work, developing skills, producing the work, uploading the content, that takes a lot of time. That's a lot of manpower for one person. However, it's possible, and I say this time next year, I should have 1,000+ subscribers, enough watch time, because now I'm bringing it back to life because I really do enjoy it. And I have to continue my path of sharing all the knowledge and, all the things all the skills I continue to perfect, that I'm building successful websites and YouTube channels from the ground up myself. And that takes a lot of dedication. So I'm hoping we are in March. If I'm lucky before the end of the year, I would like to hit 1,000 subscribers. And this will be another YouTube channel earning me income. And then the Sleep Deep. I haven't uploaded anything in a while. I only have 6 subscribers. But the work is produced. It's very pretty. I created that. It's very pretty. I mixed a couple of pictures together. I chose the name Sleep Deep, transition into a deep sleep. And these videos, when I first recorded them, I was out in the rain. I was using old cameras. I was doing it the old-fashioned way, like hands-on experience. There's nothing like on-the-job experience. And I said, I really do enjoy getting out there and getting that kind of footage. But now, because I did it, I know what to do better next time to record better footage. So when I get home, I can upload the footage faster with better quality. It takes time. I really do enjoy that hands-on kind of work. I'm not saying that I will never use artificial intelligence, stock videos, background sounds for this channel. But most of my videos will be authentic, genuine. Nobody can copy them. It's just me. And I'll be finding out about protecting my work that's already out there and my future work for plagiarism and copyright rules, because I need to learn that, because if anyone puts so much time into something and they're building businesses and setting up streams of income, you don't want someone to, steal your work. It's just the way it is. So I hope you found this video interesting. Let me show you it again. Show you again. I've been ranging $40 to $50 a month. That's a lie. That socialblade does not have it down. I've been reaching the minimum with YouTube. Every third month I receive a little money in the bank. I have a C+. I feel I deserve a B. And it's not $2 to $27. It's more, it is between $40 and $50. And this one, they earn Car Edge, I feel they earn $10,000 to $15,000. They don't earn $721 a month for this amazing content that they're building and they're rebranding. They surpassed that already. Oh, come on. But I know they also have a lot of people to pay and they're building their website. They deserve shout outs. I appreciate the content and I will be using their services in the future for my next cause. I see owning, at least another 6 cars in my lifetime. And this is the kind of information, the kind of channel I need to, the kind of channel community that I need to continue to stay in with, because you learn a lot and you save a lot of money when it's time to buy an automobile. Anyway, I got a bit off topic. I hope you enjoyed the video. Just keep learning, just keep growing, just keep doing. You can do it. It's going to happen. Something's going to happen. There's no way this can stay the way it is right now. It's just impossible. I even went out and I earned my big whopping $75. Let's see. I'm a gig worker. Oh, of course it didn't show. Why did it not show? Nah. Let me see here. I'm sorry, but the app is so glitchy. $75.33. Whoopee! I want to earn that from my YouTube channel. Yeah, every month. I'll see you later. Have a good one. Visit the channels. Bye for now.